Rogers router disconnections often stem from Wi Fi channel congestion, RF interference, or outdated firmware. A major firmware update in mid 2024 improved channel auto selection for XB7 and XB8 models, reducing disconnections by 20 to 30%. However, densely populated areas still suffer from interference. First, reboot your router. If problems persist, use the Rogers app or Ignite TV interface to manually select Wi Fi channels, focusing on 5 GHz or 6 GHz if available with an XB8. For 2.4 GHz, try channels 1, 6, or 11. Ensure your router is centrally located, away from metal objects or other electronics. To diagnose interference, use a Wi Fi Analyzer app to identify crowded channels. Co-channel interference occurs when multiple devices use the same channel, while external interference can come from Bluetooth devices or neighboring networks. Enable beamforming and MU-MIMO in your router settings to focus signals on devices, reducing interference. Check the signal-to-noise ratio (SNR) via the Rogers app. Below 20 dB indicates poor quality. If needed, consider a mesh network for wider coverage. Contact Rogers support for firmware updates or hardware upgrades to models like the XB8, which supports Wi-Fi 6E and the less congested 6 GHz band.